Organic rolled oats are a great source of complex carbs, fiber, and protein, and therefore an excellent choice for a healthy breakfast. With this recipe, you can prep the oats the night before and have a delicious breakfast ready first thing in the morning. First, mix organic rolled oats, chia seeds, chopped almonds and ground cinnamon in a mixing bowl. Drizzle on some organic honey. Pour over the coconut milk and give it a good mix. Cover and pop the bowl into the fridge to let the oats thicken overnight. The following morning, build a parfait by layering the soaked oats with chopped mango and fresh berries in a glass jar. You're all set to enjoy a delicious breakfast.